Big, bold, and beautiful. That's what big block quilt patterns are all about. These eye-catching designs are taking the quilting world by storm, and for good reason. Big block quilt patterns use large, simple shapes that are quick and easy to sew together. This makes them perfect for beginners or anyone looking to complete a project in record time. But don't let their simplicity fool you. These quilts pack a serious style punch. One of the best things about big block patterns is how they showcase your favorite fabrics. Those bold prints or special collections you've been saving, now's their time to shine. And with just a few blocks, you can make a dramatic statement or create a cozy, bed-sized quilt. Let's look at some of the top free big block quilt patterns available. First up is the Giant Star Baby Quilt. This design features a single oversized sawtooth star that creates a modern, playful focal point. It's perfect for confident beginners and makes a wonderful heirloom for any nursery. Next, we have the Bookmark Quilt. This throw-size quilt uses oversized chevrons to create a captivating visual rhythm. It's a great way to show off large-scale prints and add a contemporary touch to your decor. For those who love a touch of whimsy, check out the Go Sewing in the Garden Quilt. This delightful design combines vibrant grandmother's flower garden blocks with adorable sewing machine appliques. It's a must-have for any quilter who wants to celebrate their craft. If you're after a more modern look, the spinning top quilt might be just what you need. Simple piecing transforms colorful fabric strips into a mesmerizing optical illusion. It's easy to stitch together and brings a playful energy to any space. For a bold geometric statement, consider the Pathway Quilt. This large-scale design features intersecting pathways of flying geese units, creating a sense of movement and energy. The gradual color shifts add depth and dimension, making this quilt a true work of art. These are just a few of the many free big block quilt patterns available. Whether you're a seasoned quilter or just starting out, big block quilt patterns offer a satisfying and stylish way to express your creativity. So why not give one a try? With their simple construction and stunning results, you might just find your new favorite quilting style. Want more big block quilt patterns to supersize your quilting fun? Go big with the collection at ilovequiltingforever.com.